eso una vez.
Pues este case salió al mercado hace casi más de como 6-8 meses, pero no estaba en el mercado americano, solamente estaba en el mercado europeo.
Today, in the study of the wild computer nerd, we've come across a unique event.
Oh shit, eso es para ti.
The arrival of a new computer case.
Yo no creo que haya este case, actually.
Nadie lo
build
tiene.
en Puerto Rico con este case.
No.
Yo creo que voy a hacer como que los primeros por primero.
In its wild habitat, there is no greater joy than peeling plastic film off a new product. Let us observe this ritual. Riveting. Once uncovered, the nerds congregate to admire and praise the new acquisition in all at its shape, size, and sexiness. Watch them touch all the buttons and caress the case and reach a state of absolute pleasure. Their joy is cut short when they realize they cannot build the computer fully because the cost of graphic cards has skyrocketed recently because of freaking crypto miners.